this type of a vehicle, which is quite a bit longer compared to others. So, in actual senses, you should learn with things that are a bit hard, so that when you go out there, when you see the other things, they get used to you, so that you won't find any difficulties in doing what you are doing. So normally, we teach with such long vehicles that when you know how to park, you know perfectly how to park. When you know how to do your drums and the like, when coming out of the gates and the like, so you see, it is through having something which is quite big compared to having a smaller vehicle. In home area, be it Bukita, wherever, under normal circumstances, there are no one-way roads. We usually use two-way traffic lanes. So this is done to see or to note that when turning back to another lane, which you are actually going the direction that you actually want to go, you have to make 3 moves. You have to make 3 moves. So it's like you're coming from Bukita, and you have forgotten something, and you wish to go back and take that thing, then come back again. So what you do is, when you are in your lane, your left side lane, you check first. There is no oncoming traffic from the right side lane. So when you realize that there is no traffic, you can turn completely turn to the right. Then you check your wheel, so that you see if it doesn't go, so that it doesn't go beyond the line, demarcation line. So when you get closer to the line, that is the line which is far to the right, you stop. Then you look to the other side, to the left. When you look to the left, you put in reverse now, because we want to make 3 movements. So the first movement is the one that you are making going to the right. The second movement is the one that you are going to make when we turn to the left and when we put in reverse. That is the second movement. So when you move for the second time, we have to note the line behind, so that we won't go beyond the line again.
Ladies and gentlemen, Hanzi, 3.10, 3 moves, touches a move. Ga, you're gone. You're not allowed to do forward, reverse. You can go back, the change is anything. Yeah.